girl's got balls. Keep going. Just keep going.
It's pretty steep.
It's fine.
Will it fall over?
No.
It's not going to fall backwards?
Well, keep your weight just more distribute to the middle. Yeah, yeah. There you go.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Keep it more on the front. That's a good drop right there on that left front. Stay to your right. There you go.